Why does your scanner show the P0139 engine code? What does it mean? P0139 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit, slow response bank 1 sensor 2. This engine code indicates that this means the downstream oxygen sensor, sensor 2, on the exhaust manifold side labeled bank 1, is not switching between rich and lean air-fuel mixtures quickly enough, according to the engine's computer. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring issues, exhaust leaks, catalytic converter issues. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mazda RX-8, Honda CR-V, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.